What you got on that one?
32 day build. Yeah. Maybe he should go to Maloney should go to him for his build. That's rare. Fastback Charger. Fastback, that's a rare one right here. This Charger right here. Imagine replacing the windows on this one, man. What do we got here? Elegance with attitude. A 1968 Dodge Charger. Holy guacamole! Jeez. Where'd you get the motor?
The States.
No, like that. Oh, you actually bought it? Like, or was it you?
It was Power Performance.
Yeah.
Go around and buy smash up cars at auction, salvage drivetrains.
Can we hear it? It even says 32 on here. 32 days ago.
That's the original mileage on the car too. My stepdad had bought it brand new in '69.
Wow.
68, but he bought it at the '69 dealer demo.
Yeah.
So. That's good. Nah.
Hey, Brad.
Yeah.
Let's see the coupe. Which coupe? What do you want to see? What year is this thing?
68.
68?
Yeah, 68.
How much horsepower are you pumping out of this baby?
I don't know for sure. The motor's new.
Yeah.
I just put it in on Thursday.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah. So it's got about 5 minutes of runtime on it, but it's putting out some boost.
Yeah.
I'd say neighborhood 850.
850?
Yeah.
How much
more than that?
How much boost you running?
15 pounds right
15
now.
pounds.
Yeah, right
Phenomenal.
now. Just for breaking in.
Yeah. So you just threw it on Thursday, willy-nilly, yeah?
The whole car was a 32-day build.
32-day build?
32-day. I started it July 12th. It was in the barn, covered in dirt and dust and bird.
Really?
Yeah.
It was a barn find.
No motor, no trans, no interior.
Get out of here.
No.
You know what you're doing.
There's an envelope, or there's a, what do you call it, album on the front.
Yeah.
That showed what happened.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so, yeah, very intense, quick build.
That is super quick.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy's yours?
Yeah.
Nice.
My son built the car, the model for him.
Oh, wow.
And the other son found me the turntable on Amazon.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I got to display that at the car shows.
Where'd you pick this thing up?
Well, it came from California. I got it in Mississauga in the early 90s.
Really?
Yeah, somebody brought it up from there and
The good old days.
couldn't keep it for one reason or another.
Yeah.
Going through a divorce. So I put it back up for sale. I got $5 grand back then.
This was $5 grand?
Well,
Get out of
It
here.
looked like that though.
How much money did you put into it?
Oh, about another 100
Yeah?
on top of the 5, yeah.
Yeah. What did you get all done with it?
Yeah, I got done at National Mopars up in Beaverton. They
Okay.
did the full resto for me.
So it's a full resto.
Oh yeah, they
Yeah.
went right from, we had it all stripped right down. And we changed a few things, put the disc brakes on the front, put the 440 in it. It was a 383 car originally.
Right. How do you like the 440 compared to the 383?
Well, it was originally just a 2-barrel, it was a factory air, 2-barrel automatic power brake, power steering car.
Yeah. Okay.
That's how it was shipped to California, but
Yeah.
but so now we got the tweaked up 440. And I got a 3-speed torque flight with a gear vendor overdrive on it, 323 shore grip in the back.
Nice. Wow.
It's got some oomph, but it'll still cruise nice too.
Yeah. For both the track.
Comfortable with the AC on.
Have you taken it to the track at all?
No, I haven't yet. I keep planning to, but,
Yeah.
but one thing another keeps getting in the way.
100%.
But we're working on it.
How much horsepower do you think you're pulling off of this baby?
Oh, 4.5 easy. from
4.5, yeah.
at least, yeah, maybe close to 5. I don't know. I'd have to dyno it and get it tweaked a little bit.
Oh, that'd be phenomenal.
So, yeah.
Is that a 4-barrel in there?
Yeah, it's a Holly 750.
750, big boy.
Yeah, it's been mild polish competition cam.
Yeah.
And it's got ceramic headers going through Flowmaster mufflers.
Flowmaster mufflers, 3-inch all the way back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I put the RT, it's not an RT, but I put the RT tips on the end.
Oh, so you up-badged.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
They asked me if I wanted to put the stripe and...
Yeah. What exhaust you running?
Black Widow.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, okay.
Hey, bro, you want to come over here for a second?
Let's hear this baby. That's awesome.
And then I kind of switched direction when I realized how expensive it would be to build a 900 horsepower supercharged.
Yeah.
V8. So
Yeah.
this was actually much cheaper and more drivable.
What's the tranny? Like what's?
It's a 6-speed Tremec.
Okay.
Oh, sweet.
Bought it as a package from Cleveland Power Performance in the States.
Nice. What about the rear end? What's the...
Stock rear end.
Okay.
With 411s. I had to splice a 70 drive shaft with a Hellcat drive shaft.
Yeah.
Connect, but
yeah. How much power are you pushing out of this baby?
45 stock on these engines.
Yeah.
I don't know, with like the little intake and the exhaust is 3-inch in up, so just by the rear axle, so I'm hoping that gives it a bit more.
Gotcha. Yeah. How's the drivability? Is like pretty good?
It's tight. It's all it's all custom suspension built by another guy in the States. For
Nice.
these cars, so it handles pretty much like a new one.
Yeah. Where'd you get this wrap done?
Guy in town, I think it's either Redline or Adrenaline on one of the sophomore.
Oh yeah.
He ripped it off pretty quick.
That's amazing.
Just because I ran out of money.
Yeah.
At that point, right?
Yeah. Have you taken this to the track at all?
No,
No?
it's not quite there yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I gotta sort out some rear end stuff with it.
Oh yeah, I bet. Yeah.